Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to have you guys back. So for today's video, I'm using my red iguana hand and I'm gonna be doing a mermaid nail tutorial. This is gonna be a very simple mermaid nail tutorials that you can do at your home, very easy. And I will go through the products and also talking about ways that if you don't have the products that I'm using, other products that you can use as well. Okay, so I'm using stiletto 2XL tips for this tutorial, but I cut them, so I cut them in coffin shape, so that way they can fit my camera frame because they were too long for this camera frame. So I'm also gonna be using some glitter. So some of this glitter, I added them to the giveaway, to the small giveaway that I have recently, where I said I was gonna select 3 winners, but I end up selecting 4 winners. So congratulations to the 4 winners. I already selected you guys, and I posted on Instagram as well. So I'm not going to be using all of this glitter, but if you were a winner, now you know one look you can do with your nails and the glitters. And I'm also going to be using these beautiful mermaid foils that I show you guys. And don't worry, I will show you it again. And so let's get this tutorial started with the glitters and the foils. So I'm going to start with a base coat. If you don't have a base coat, you can use a top coat. You can use glue. What else you can use? You can also use some kind of thin gel to do this. So I put the base coat and without curing, I'm gonna add the glitter very easily. And this tray that I have here, it's very helpful because it catches the glitter and then I can put it back in the jar without any issue. I'm gonna tap to remove the excess and that's it. And curing the lamp for 60 seconds. The next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a foil glue gel, which is pretty much to add the glue, to add the foil into the nail. So I'm gonna be very generous with this glue gel. And I think that unfortunately I didn't cover the corner, the left corner of the nail because it didn't stick in that in that part. But that's fine because I'm gonna put decoration anyway, so it's gonna cover the whole thing. And if you're wondering about these beautiful nails that I have on, don't worry, the tutorial is coming soon, guys. So don't worry about that. So once I'm done curing the lamp for 60 seconds and I put the foil, and I'm so sorry that for some reason my camera didn't record me putting the foil. I don't know what happened, but I will do another video showing you guys how I place the foils because I wanted to show you guys and show you my tricks and tips, but for some reason the camera didn't record. I think that what I did is I stopped recording while the hand was curing and then I forgot to hit it on again to start recording. I'm so sorry guys, but I will do a video, another video showing you how I put my foils and give you tips about foil placement and all that stuff. So I also did the pinky nail with the blue glitter and now here I'm just encapsulating with Junk Nails gel, which I love. So I'm just encapsulating the glitter. And one thing I'm gonna say is sometimes people leave the glitter like this without encapsulating. I think they call that the sugar effect. But in my case, because I want to put more stuff on top of this glitter, so I have to encapsulate. Also allows the glitter to stay secure and also pretty much will seal your glitter. This gel I cure in lamp for 60 seconds and then I will start the filing process, the buffer process. So on here, I already have filed, buff, and clean the dust, very important. And that gel from Junk Nails leave a sticky surface, so make sure you clean that as well. So here I'm using some type of condensed glue gel, which can be construction gel if you call it that way. Any type of construction gel that can secure all the decoration will be great for this type of nails. So what I'm doing is I'm using it to add the decoration. So I'm using metal, gold, and silver decoration for this. I'm using shells. I'm using starfish metal decoration, different type of sea summer decoration for these tutorials. You guys can see very easy to place. One thing I want to ask you guys is that For some reason, I don't have luck with this. How you call this? Rhinestone speaker, because once I put them in the nail, for some reason they don't want to stick the whatever I'm putting here, the decoration, and that's why you see me using my nail, because it won't let it adhere to the nail, which is just weird. I don't know if it's the wax that is bad. I don't know what's going on. Let me know if that happened to you guys. Like these wax sticks, they don't work for me. I don't know why, and I have a bunch of them, and I have tried a few of them, but I have no luck. And sometimes they work, and sometimes they stop working, which is weird. So here I'm just gonna add a starfish. This time I'm not gonna encapsulate. So for this nail, I'm just gonna put the condensed glue gel, and I'm gonna try to put as much as I can. Not too much, because I'm gonna add a big decoration on this nail, and I want this decoration to hold pretty well and last longer. So I'm adding this beautiful mermaid, and you guys saw this mermaid on a nail haul I did. It is from Hobby Lobby. It is very pretty. And with this condensed glue gel, it's gonna hold pretty nice. So I do have this UV light, which is pretty much a flash curing light from the brand Jellish. I got it on Amazon and it's perfect. I love it because I don't have to hold anymore, no lamp like I used to do. And here what I'm doing is I'm securing the mermaid, making sure that is very cure underneath, because I put a lot of that condensed glue gel. So I want to make sure that it's very cure on under it on the side. And after that, of course, we're going to place it in the lamp and cure for about 60 seconds, just to make sure it is very secure to the nail tip. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to go ahead and put more condensed glue gel around the mermaid. And remember, I already cured this mermaid for 60 seconds plus the flash curing that I did. And then I'm gonna add some of the stars. This is in gold metal decoration. And you guys can see how I'm using the other side of the wax pen because it was not working. So for some reason, the other side works better than the part that is supposed to be working. I don't know. I just hate that it's not working, honestly. But look how pretty it looks like when you have a glitter in the background and then you have the metal decoration on top. I think it looks beautiful. So I'm going to continue decorating this beautiful nail. And then to finish this look, I'm going to use I Made a Beauty top coat, which is one of my favorites because it's very shiny and the gel polish that lasts a lot. But in this case, the foil, it will keep this foil very secure and also helps with the decoration to adhere better, even though we also put the condensed gel glue, but it pretty much it seals the look. Let's just put it that way. So I hope you guys enjoyed this easy mermaid nail tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I will be answering you guys. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook if you have Facebook. A lot of people don't use Facebook anymore. So let me know what you think about this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this look. And Thank you so much. We almost close to, I will say, 700 subscribers. I'm so excited. I have an amazing giveaway once we get to 1,000 subscribers with a lot of brands, good brands, products. So stay tuned for that once we reach the 1,000 subscriber. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.